Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. Okay, how are you today? I hope all of you are fine. And then, I will explain about degree of comparison here. Okay, we find adjective here like long, tall, short, beautiful, diligent, and then the comparative and the superlative. So if we compare two things, okay, one thing to the other thing, it means we use the comparative, compare. And then if we compare one thing to the other things, I mean like one thing with all of the things around, or one person with all the people around, means that we use the superlative. So here, like you can see, we use comparative for comparing two things or two people, and superlative for comparing three or more things or three or more uh, people. Next, okay, you have to differentiate the adjective based on the syllable. So if it is just one syllable, of course we use er for the comparative and the plus us for the superlative. Okay, so here long, just one syllable, tall, just one syllable, short, so just put er after long, tall, and short. So after the adjective, just put er. And here must be with the before the adjective. Okay, remember that. So here long, longer, the longest, tall, taller, the tallest, short, shorter, the shortest, and then beautiful. How many syllables? Three. Okay. So beautiful, three syllables. So of course we have to put more, not er. Okay. Uh, because it's more than one syllable. Put more before the adjective, before beautiful. So more beautiful, and then here the most beautiful must be with the. Okay. The most beautiful. Diligent, three syllables, right? Diligent, three syllables. So here with more diligent, the most diligent. Again, then rules for forming comparative and superlative. For adjectives which have only one syllable or two syllables ended by y, add er for comparative and us for superlative. The word then usually accompanies the comparative while the word the precedes the superlative. For example, Dana's hair is longer than mine. I think Hannah is prettier than Sasha. Grandma is the oldest person in our family. So if we compare one person, for example, or one thing with all, like this one, grandma is the oldest person in our family. So with all around means that we use the superlative. And then here I think Hannah is prettier than Sasha. So here I compare Hannah with Sasha. So just one person to the other person. Next, Dinda is a tall girl, but Nani is taller than Dinda, and Leah is the tallest among three of them. Next, number 2. For other adjectives with two syllables or more, add more comparative for comparative and most for superlative. For example, my father is more patient than my mother. Who is the most diligent student in your class? Okay, I need to tell you that uh, it can be with although it's more than one syllable. Why? Because the last letter. So let me okay here. So if it is ended by y, ended by o, ended by le, and the last For example, the adjective ended by y, happy, happy. More than one syllable, right? Two syllables, but because it's ended by y, okay, ended by y, so of course we have to omit the y like this. Omit the y. Where is it? Ended by this one. So have omit the y, okay, and then write down IES here. Sorry, IER. I mean IER. Happier. And then O. The example of O is, for example, narrow. You can find the other example for me. And then narrow becomes narrower. Although narrow already more than one syllable. But because ended by O, of course we have to put yeah, and then le here. For example, gentle, because ended by le, we have to use just r, just put r after the adjective like this, gentler. Okay, and then here, for example, clever. Clever, and then becomes clever. Okay, so remember these letters, okay, ended by y, o, l, so they are still in and the us group, okay, so for the comparative and the us for the superlative. And then, okay, number 2, for other adjectives with 2 syllables or more, add more for comparative and most for superlative. For example, my father is more patient. Okay, who is the most diligent student in your class? Okay, let's continue. Oh, I have to clean this. Okay. Oh. Okay, some exceptions. Okay, it's not just good, bad, far, fun, but also good, bad, much, many. Okay, I need to write it down here maybe. So for the positive, we can much or many. Becomes, for the comparative, becomes more. And then therefore the superlative becomes the most. Okay, and then little. Okay, little becomes, for the comparative, becomes less. And then for the superlative, becomes the least. Is that all? Oh yeah, far, already here. So good, bad, and then much, many, little, far, fun, more fun, the most fun. Okay, so please remember about the exceptions here. So for the comparative for good is not gooder, but becomes better. and the superlative is the best. So you have to remember, you have to memorize. We cannot use the rules for these exceptions. And then number 4, us and us. Just put the adjective between us and us. Okay, so like this one. Sorry, mouse. Ronaldo is as popular as Beckham. Means the same, yeah. Means that Ronaldo has the same popularity. Ronaldo has the same popularity as Beckham. Next, number 5. We can add much, a little, or a bit before comparative. For example, my sister is much taller than me. So means that the gap of the height very big maybe, yeah. And then Asmi is a bit lazier than his older brother. Okay. So now it's your turn to do the exercise 1 and exercise 2. Okay. Please put the answer, of course, as usual, on Google Classroom. So I think that's all. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you understand. And if you don't understand, please ask me.